Hello everyone, this is Juanita K from Juanita's Creative Corner. Today is March 20th, 2021, otherwise known as the first day of spring. This footage that you're watching was recorded last year at Riparian Preserve in Gilbert, Arizona. If you've ever suffered from writer's block or the lack of motivation to write, I have something that might help you. Take a 3-minute break, watch the footage, and experience the sights and sound of nature. I hope you enjoyed that. I will be back soon to give you some more writerly advice. Until then, take care.